Welcome to the Learn with GemPages video series. In today's video, we'll walk through how to create an impressive testimonial section using only the basic elements available in GemPages V7 New Editor, with simple and easy-to-follow steps. You can use the timestamps below to quickly navigate through the video content. Let's get started. A testimonial section is a powerful tool for showcasing feedback from satisfied customers. It helps build trust with potential buyers and positively influences purchasing decisions. A standard testimonial section typically includes a heading, subheading, star ratings, review content, and reviewer details such as an avatar image, name, or job title. Testimonials are commonly displayed in a carousel format. This layout keeps the content clean and space efficient, while also increasing engagement and delivering a better user experience. First, to start building this section, let's add a row element and set the margin to 48px. I'll quickly check it on mobile. Great. No additional adjustments are needed because GemPages global styles already ensure responsiveness during design. Next, drag in a text block to add the subheading, then customize the color, line height, and alignment for each device. Add a heading element, set it to H2, make the text bold, set the line height to 130%, and center align it. Use the HTML H2 tag and increase the bottom spacing to 48px. Now add a carousel element. By default, it includes 4 items. I'll keep only 3 testimonials. On tablet and mobile, reduce the number of visible items to 2 and 1, respectively. Next, add star ratings using the icon list element. Click to open the icon element settings, change the color to yellow and set the size to 17px. Then return to the icon list settings. Duplicate the icon to save time and reduce the spacing between items. Add a heading element with heading 6 style for the review title. Adjust the font size for each device. Change the text color, set the font weight to semi-bold, and keep the line height at 130%. To optimize SEO, I use the HTML H3 tag for each item, since heading tags should follow a proper hierarchy and decrease gradually within a section. Then, add a text block element to display the detailed customer review. Select the paragraph 1 style and use a lighter text color. Add a line element to separate the review content from the reviewer's information. Set the line color to a lighter shade, thickness to 1px, and width to 100%. Next, add a row with 2 columns and upload the image. In the image settings, you can choose between rectangle or circle styles. Upload the image, make sure it fits properly, and set the column gap to 16px. In the other column, add a heading element to display the reviewer's name. Change the style to a paragraph-like font weight and use the HTML H4 tag. Then adjust the spacing down to 8px. Add an item list element, and in item management, keep only 1 item. Change the icon, add text, and keep the same configuration. To improve visual clarity, change the icon color and text color. Set the spacing between the icon and text to 6px. On mobile, the layout automatically adapts into 2 columns. Enable the Fit to Content option. In the settings section, I'll duplicate it into 3 versions and adjust the spacing to 20px. The final step is editing the content of each row, and we're done. That's one way to create a testimonial section. Don't forget to click Save and Publish. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new tutorials from Learn with GemPages. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.